Want to get more out of your learning? First, you must activate the ReadSpeaker tools. Click on the tab with a speaker, which is on your screen's left side. Position it on the screen. You can listen to lessons, documents, quizzes, discussions, assignments, and more. Let's listen to part of this lesson.
According to Oxford Languages, technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry.
Adjust your settings, such as the highlighting colors, reading speed, page mask, and text settings. Settings are stored in the cookies and cache of your browser. Form reading is used to read fill in the blank and other types of quiz questions. Toggle it on when you start the quiz and off after you have submitted the quiz.
TTS stands for to speech. You wrote text.
Reduce screen burnout and increase focus by using tools like a page mask, enlarged text, text mode, a reading ruler, changing voices, highlighting, and more. It's easy to see how this will help you engage more with your course.